That is some crazy power there. Replacing this with this. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. We are going to be talking about and testing this right here, the DeWalt Advantage 3-speed hammer drill. We've had the old DCD 996 for years and decided to finally pull the trigger. I know I'm a little late and upgrade it to something more powerful, something that can mix more buckets of thin set before having to change out the battery. So again, this drill here, we've had it a few years, DCD 996. It was the first 3-speed hammer drill that DeWalt came out with. It has mixed thousands of buckets of thin set mortar, your dry pack. It has cut hundreds of holes in hard porcelain tile, from small holes all the way up to 7-inch diamond hole saws. It has kept up very, very well. No problems whatsoever. The chuck is getting a little sloppy, and again, we just want something a little more powerful, something that can take advantage of flex volt batteries. So on that note, don't let anybody tell you that a cordless drill cannot mix full buckets of thin set mortar without burning out. If you're using a DeWalt, a Makita, a Milwaukee, you'll be just fine. Again, thousands of buckets right here. So this is going to be the new shop drill. What we're going to do with this, quickly go over the specs and get right to it. We will mix up and show you how it performs on a full 5-gallon bucket of thin set mortar. We'll show you how it performs drilling holes in hard porcelain tile and testing how powerful it is drilling through maple with this 1-inch auger bit. Now I won't waste your time with unboxing. The kit comes with the DeWalt bag, your charger, your DeWalt Advantage drill, and a 6-amp flex volt battery. Links will be down in the description with specs and pricing if you want to check this out. Out with the old, in with the new. DeWalt brushless 3-speed. This has a longer handle for better ergonomics. This drill has up to 42% more power, taking advantage of the flex volt battery. 3 settings for your LED, low and high, that run for 20 seconds, and you have a high 20-minute runtime LED here when working in dark areas. And the LED here is 20 times brighter. Drill mode, hammer mode, 3-speed transmission, chip ready. Let's try it out. Okay, we will first drill holes in hard porcelain. We mix a full 5-gallon bucket of thin set mortar. We are on speed 2. So far, it cuts hard porcelain with ease, mixes up 5 gallons worth of thin set mortar on speed 1 and speed 2 without bogging down. Let's now run this auger bit through some maple. We will start on speed 1 and then move to speed 2. speed 2. Very, very, very impressive. Crazy power in this. Let's try it again, starting in speed 2 and going all the way through. That is some crazy power there. Using this, I feel like it clearly has more power than our DCD996. This is one amazing and powerful drill, the best of the best that DeWalt offers right now, I believe. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell notification, tap the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.